Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've been working on my truck for the longest time, and sometimes I'll work maybe 1 hour a week or 5 hours a week on it. I haven't had much time, and today it's finally painted. And I did some recording and my phone overheated, and half of what I was doing didn't get recorded. But let me show you what the truck looks like. If I have enough footage, I'll do a video how I painted and stuff. But let me show you what the truck looks like. All right, guys, it's been about 4 hours since I finished the bed liner, so here it is. Now this is a little amber light that I put on here, 3/4 inch. Here's the texture on the bed liner. It looks pretty good, pretty uniform and in certain spots. And then I got carried away like in that area there. Now the hitch receiver on that side, that 2 by 6 inch space, I actually didn't spray enough on there, and you could see the gray behind there. So I went over with a little bit of spray paint just to cover it up. Other than that, looks pretty good. There's the deck. Now here are the fenders. The fenders are bolt on, and the reason I went with bolt on was if I ever have a blowout and mess up a fender, I don't have to worry about cutting a weld and messing up all the bed liner there. It's a lot of economical for me just to paint a fender and bolt it on instead of painting the whole side. And the bolts that I used, they were 1/4 inch. There's about 6 of them on each fender. And I applied some spray paint after I removed the tape and stuff. Now we're gonna have a clear LED light there and another one here on the top. That way at night I don't need a flashlight to be looking for tools or whatever in there. Here, the shiny part right here, that's a little bit of spray paint I put because you could see the primer underneath, but all this is bed liner. And you could see the primer right here where I couldn't get under that little ring there. It's not perfect, right guys, but I did it myself, saved some money, some time. Here's the back end again. And on the last video I had an opening here, which I wasn't too happy about it. And I had some flat stock there, I believe 1.25 by 1/8. And I covered the hole with that. And I used my flux core welder as well. And that little gray spot right here, that's what I was talking about on the deck up there where I used some spray paint. The plug for my trailer. Here's the other fender. The other toolbox. Same thing. All nice and painted. And the difficult part was getting all the areas under here. And I know what do you call it? A lot of the bed liner was just getting stuck on the tarp I had on here because, I'm trying to paint a 1.25 inch tubing there, and there's a big opening, and I couldn't really get my gun in here. But yeah, guys, I mean, that's what it is. I painted the flatbed on here, and that's the result here. So that's exactly 2 gallons of bed liner, 2 quarts of epoxy primer, 2 or 3 rattle cans of self-etching primer to get certain spots like on the fenders and other areas. So, yep. Any questions, let me know, guys. I was painting all this and my phone overheated, so I might or might not upload a video of me painting the truck, but here it is. So any questions, let me know, and please like and subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye bye.